Hey, how's it going out there, everybody? Rooster here in Tennessee, looking at another piece of equipment today. Today we're looking at the very popular RCI-2950. This one is in excellent shape. Not mint condition by any means, but it is in very good shape. It does have some Velcro on top of it where it was mounted, and it has some Velcro on the bottom near the rear back here. Pick it up and show it to you. That could, of course, be removed. I'll leave that up to whoever gets it. You might want to mount it back in your vehicle or mount it under a desk, so I'll leave the Velcro on there. It does have the original bracket knobs, and it does have the factory channel changing mic, as I call it. So you can change channels with this microphone, as you can see me demonstrating right here. And pretty cool if you're running a mobile, if you're happy with the way this mic sounds. Anyway, back to what we're looking at. 2950 is very popular. The story on this one, from what I understood, is it was a one-owner deal. I got it from a ham operator. I met him by selling him a ham amplifier, and he said, "Hey, buddy, you wouldn't be interested in buying some CB stuff, would you?" And I said, "Man, of course I'd be interested in buying some CB stuff." So bought this, a few other things, and I did not buy it to keep. It will be for sale. It is for sale. And we'll give you a look up real close on it. Here's some of the features. A 2950, if you're not familiar, does have features on it that a regular CB radio does not have, including the ability to talk on two different channels, or should I say hold a conversation on two different channels at one time. If you have a friend that has one of these, or a 2990, 2995, I think Galaxy Saturn Turbo, maybe a HR2510, lots of digital radios that can do this. You can set this radio to transmit on channel 28 and receive on, let's say, channel 19, and your friend can set their radio up to receive on 28 and transmit on 19. So effectively you would be talking on two different channels at once. You can scan with it for activity. You can program channels into it. I'm not going to get into all that, but all that stuff can be done. One of the other cool things you can do is you can change channels by different increments. So check this out. So you see the little arrow there that's under the 2? We're changing channels 10 frequencies at a time when we do that. And we can go all the way down here. We can go all the way up here. I mean, we can keep going. Let's come on back down 28. Normally, I would keep it, right there where you're doing one channel at a time, but I mean, you can do this. If you're somebody that talks sideband and your person you're talking to is just a little off frequency, you can dial them in all the way down to the 6th digit. So extremely popular for sideband operators. I'll leave it at that as far as all the extra features go. Chances are, if you're watching this, you know a little bit about these radios. Let's get into the performance of it. We're going to test it on AM. We'll do average power, peak power, and then we're going to test it on upper sideband, where we'll just check peak power on it. We'll start out RF power all the way down, just for a reference, and then we'll go up as we test it. We'll start out on our 50 watt slug, 50 watt scale. That's the middle slug, or middle scale, I should say. Okay, we're keyed up. Audio. Now we are on average power, and it's not showing a whole lot of average, okay? Audio is showing about 3 watts average. But check out, we're going to roll this RF power up. We're keying almost 5 watts. Audio, swinging 6 average. Audio, still going forward. Audio, just barely nudging forward to 10. We'll just turn it wide open. And it looks like we're keying about 11 watts or so. Now that's our average output test for bird average. Now we're going to do peak power. Our RF power is still wide open over here. Audio, middle scale, middle scale, middle scale, middle scale. Audio, 32, 33 watts. Again, that was wide open. Let's turn it all the way down. Audio, radio, audio, radio, audio, radio, audio, radio, audio, radio. Just under 30 watts peak with it all the way down. Peak output power does not change very much. Let's check it for receive real quick. Let's turn our, let's see, volume up. That was pretty loud, wasn't it? May have got that a little out of hand, but that's just a dummy load to dummy load, another radio transmitting to show you it receives. And lastly, we will go to upper sideband and we'll test it for peak output power. Audio, 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 audio. Let's see. We'll turn the RF power wide open, see if it changes anything. Audio, 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 audio. It does not. 30 watts on upper sideband. And might as well check lower sideband too, huh? Audio, 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 audio. 30 watts on the mic. That's it. Included with it, I'll send a power cord with it. This is the power cord that came with it, single fused, standard power cord. The microphone, of course, and then the radio, and of course the bracket knobs. I'm not going to rob the bracket knobs out of it, but this one is for sale. If you're interested in it, let me know. Shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. I will probably list it up local as soon as this video ends, and it'll be first come, first serve. You know, whoever's interested, whether you're local or out of state or whatever, just get in touch with me and text me, and I'll try to make you the best deal I can on it. Very nice radio. From what I can tell, everything works perfectly on it, and I think it'll make somebody a dandy. All right, you guys have a good one. See you, bye.